In this video, I will show you how you can use language translator or interpreter on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Galaxy AI. On this page, just tap on Interpreter, and from here, just customize the translator or the interpreter settings on your Samsung phone. As you can see, you have the option for auto-detect languages. You can enable this option. Now after that, you can enable or disable turn on mic automatically when a person stops talking. After that, you have the option to read the translation aloud. You can enable or disable this option. I'll keep it enabled. Now after that, you have the option for auto record when mic is on. Then after that, you have the option to install language packs for translation. As you can see, I have already installed these languages, but you can install even more languages from this list. For example, if you want to install a specific language, just tap on the download icon in front of the language, and the language will start downloading on your Samsung phone. Once the language is fully downloaded, it will appear in the list at the top of the screen, just like that. Now to use the interpreter, just go to your home screen and open the app drawer. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then tap on interpreter and select continue. I just select while using the app and tap on allow. Now at the bottom of the screen, just select your language. Now at the top of the screen, just select the language to which you want to translate. For example, I'll select this language. Now if you tap on the microphone icon over here, it will start listening to you. As you can see, it has translated what I have said into the selected language.
كما ترون لقد ترجمت ما قلته إلى اللغة المختارة.
Just like that. Now if you're having a conversation with someone else, you can tap on this chat bubble icon over here, and it will flip the translation so that the other person can read the translation. Now this is one way to use the interpreter. The other method is that you can use the interpreter to translate a call. Now if I receive a phone call on my Samsung phone, I just pick up the phone call, then tap on the Galaxy AI icon over here. Then tap on Live Translate. Now, in the other person section, just select the language of the other person. Then in the Me section, just select the language to which you want to translate. For example, I'll select this language. As you can see, it will translate the text as the other person will start speaking. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.